In this video, I'm going to be revealing you 3 apps that are ready to pay you. Something really important is that these 3 apps are working worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are, as long as you have an internet connection, you are going to get paid. Hey, hello, my name is Ana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this is going to be a full step-by-step tutorial of how you can make money just by having an internet connection and, the willingness to use these 3 apps. You can use them all or you can use just one. At the end of the video, guys, I'm going to be revealing a bonus, which is going to be another way in which you can actually earn money. So now let me show you everything. The first app that I'm going to be showing you, it's called Userfield. You can go to userfield.com. What is Userfield? Well, this is an app that is going to be, sharing people how others use or have the user experience on their website. Something really important is that people do not need to pay any kind of subscription or monthly fee. And as you can see, there are several organizations or companies that are using it. For example, IBM, 99 Design, 1Password, and others. So they do have over 150,000 qualified testers with over 100 plus happy clients. You may be like, okay, what do you mean like just 500 clients? Remember that these are important companies that are willing to pay you because they want to have the best app, they want to have the best website, and that's the reason why they're there. Okay, so as you can see, they have over 40 languages. So if you are a non-native English speaker or you speak another language, this is actually great for you. How are you gonna get paid, or what's the deal with this? Well, first of all, you don't need to pay anything, and you need to click here where it says get paid to test. Here where it says get paid to test, you are gonna become a tester and you're gonna earn $10 per test. Okay, how complicated are these tests? Well, each test is gonna last between 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, and you can use or you can complete it from your home computer or your smartphone. Okay, you need to follow the instructions and you can watch these videos so you can understand exactly what these guys are looking for. Remember, this is going to be about user experience. Okay, so what do usability testers do? You're going to be a usability tester, by the way. You are going to be testing websites, you are going to be testing apps. Okay, you are going to help the site's owners find and fix usability issues. For example, maybe they have a message and it's not clear. Maybe people do not get it on the layout. Okay, so you are going to be finding everything on online stores. You are going to be also checking the checkout process. You don't need to purchase anything, by the way. So the next question is that do tester needs to buy products or services? No. Okay, what equipment do you need, okay, to have if you want to become a tester? Well, remember that in order to be a tester, you're gonna get paid $10 per test. You just need to have a smartphone, a Windows or a Mac computer. Okay, the Windows computer should have at least Windows 7 or newer. Okay, and if your computer, for example, you're using a laptop, it has an internal microphone, that's okay. You don't need to buy something extra. If you want to buy another microphone, that's okay. You can go with the cheapest option, which is $2. Should you use, while you're doing the test, should you be using your real name? No. If you speak another language, can you do more tests? Well, that depends, because they're gonna give you tests based on your native language and another language that you are profitable. Okay, so that's basically what you're going to be doing. How are you going to be getting paid? Remember, you're going to get paid $10, okay, for every test, and you are going to get paid through PayPal or by using Amazon gift cards. Okay, so this is how you actually get paid. By the way, if for some reason you cannot withdraw the money, there is an another app that I use, which is called RTM. It's free for you guys to join, and it doesn't matter where you guys are. You can transfer your PayPal balance to, or you can convert them to cryptos. You can transfer it using Western Union, MoneyGram. You can transfer it directly to your bank account. There are several ways. It's really, really amazing. If you don't have an account, I'm gonna leave a link below so you can join it. The second app is an app that I already talked about in this channel, and it has been around for a while, which is Honey Game. Okay, here on Honey Game, you don't need to do anything. It's 100% passive. Okay, this is 100% passive. The only thing that you need is to have a Windows computer, because you're gonna be downloading a small software which is gonna be sharing your internet connections with others. Okay, remember, this is 100% free for you guys, and right now they have a free $5 gift. If you want to join this, I'm gonna leave a link below, and this is an estimate of how much money you guys are gonna be actually earning. For example, if you have 3 devices, okay, you have 3 devices. Let's say that you have 2 computers and a cell phone, or you just have 3 cell phones, okay, and you are allowing, Honey Games to drive traffic. Well, you are actually gonna be able to make, we said 3 devices, $67 per month. If you have more devices, or if you share this with your family members, with your loved ones, you can earn more money. Just in case that you guys are curious, like, do they really pay you? Yes, they do. As you can see, I have a couple of withdrawals, because this is a tool that I used to use in the past. Okay, so my suggestion, guys, is go ahead and give it a try. This is actually free money. Okay, this is free money. Okay, so the third tool, or the third app that you guys can use, it's called Money App. Okay, Money App, it's available on the App Store, and it's also available on Google Play Store. Okay, as you can see here on the Google Play Store, they do have 4.9 stars out of 5. Okay, so people are actually getting rewards, they're getting paid with this, people are loving it. Okay, the Money App is a very simple app in which you can earn money just by going to what they call the hot offer tab. You're gonna be watching videos, you're gonna be completing surveys. Okay, you're gonna be doing small tasks, and that's how you guys are gonna get paid. Okay, you can get paid with several payment methods, including PayPal, and you're gonna get your money directly to your account in 48 hours. Okay, so these are actually 3 really powerful apps that you can use if you want to make money online. 2 of them, well, you need to do the test, and 1 of them is 100% passive. But guys, if you are looking for something different, if you're looking to replace your 9 to 5, if you're looking to fire your boss, if you're ready to do that, if you're really serious about changing the life of your family, check out the very first link in the description with my #1 recommendation to make money online. So if you really want to fire your boss, live your life your own term, it's gonna be the very first link in the description. So this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.